Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So we know that washing machine is meant for washing clothes, but how often do you deep clean your washing machine? Guys, there are a lot of gross in the machines that you need to clean on a regular basis. I do this at least once a month, but for this one it took me so long. For about 2 months I haven't cleaned it because I've been busy with the newborn baby. Guys, look at this. Just watch to the end to see how I clean the machine and what to do to achieve a clean machine always. Sometimes this thing gets stuck on our clothes from the machine, so that's why you need to clean them often. So guys, enjoy the video, share, like and follow us for more.